It's the block. We've been loading the gun. The globe can slowly be won through the 031. It's the block. There can only be one. The globe can solely be run by the 031. It's the block. We've been loading the gun. The globe can slowly be won through the 031. It's the block. There can only be one. The globe can slowly be run by the 031.
Let's create 2025. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, young people, going on first. I see what you can see.
Alright, let's get it.
Ready, my first two? Let's go! Now, Spookiwe, Sakokez. So I will go to I clearly lost my previous battle. Next battle, I'm taking Ed and I'm trying to survive when I lose. It doesn't matter who's bigger than who. I'm sure that I'm is too force. angifundeli wale usuyabhuka utwala beyahlula sula usaphuza uyamkhonka hayi so isaha majointing stick usuyanquma usuyabhuka ubuso sakhula wavunywa ngokubamura amawulo mina ngithathela uvala wempama ngoba mangigaxa ngeyishuta kind of snow. You are fouled for saying I'm too short on paper and pandy mold. You got balls to try angles and choke. Stick to the roots. I'm in the kitchen in the poker. I will never be blackballed in this game. Go serve any piece in no. It's unsurprising to look sadness instead of ukutambalaza nge-art you are told. Ebusweni bakho ubukeka sengasawuzidla into ezimnandi kodwa uyafuna.
Or be there.
Be that shit back. You are a broke record. You can't go down on a mule. You can't even hang with other kids. You sit to say ngane zange wakhona. Siyavuma ngokuba uyabusa. Kodwa ngiyami nawe ngisiza ukulungiselela ukubhekana nomsusu so uyena kuphela ungathi uyangithusa. Yes, I'm a step. When you really got to do an state of mind, you was a land, you was a land, you shall get down and I am a superstar. Who please remember your star one, star two, when we start, I don't talk. I will. No, a star. Your bones are about freestyle, Yamaka Daniel, who's in lyrics and not the other hands. Hold their dogs. This doesn't mean I can't kick it on the spot. Me used to score by Grimbe. This loser only has a goal of going off the top. By now, Panelenga has the son of the thinking I will never own the clock. See what I meant? We on the block. See what I meant? We on the block. My 10 is now fucked the nest. The ball is in your court. I gave myself another year, so got skim. Most I'm shouting in Arab land in general coach. Uchigunga pass on the number goals enough. Utuming hands up for cricket, then you think you call these shots. I'm sorry, you know. Nama what
Right now, ladies and gentlemen, clear for the pool. Let's go.
Shut the fuck up.
Wena values too. Uzela ngoba uzoyitshela ukuthi uzosusa uthuka kanti awazi ukuthi uzohlangana nempilo ethu. You be telling us that you got a lot of views. Is they paying you? Well, that's cool. I beat the shit out of you. I'm talking jollof. That you can't even chew your fucking food. Oh, Sugala, ICU. Since they paying you for them fucking views, eating by the tube to you won't be the fucking thing that is fucking you. Okay. Won't be fucking you. They say I've been playing around a lot. That's no fucking lie. Since I'm backing a nigga that got a lot of numbers, I'ma make sure this shit counts. This is not Izimu versus Izimu. Give bell and give peace. I'ma wild on you, stand on you. Since we cheat on a number in Ningi, I'ma do my numbers on you.
You know what it is? Yeah.
I hit Paramani stupid ass. I hit Paramani stupid ass with cerebral. Most of y'all don't even understand. What I meant is I hit Ken with the can. Why I always talk about guns? Because shooting one is something that I can. What it do, Ken? What it do, Ken? Can you street fight me? Can you street fight me? Guess what am I do, Ken? Now you can. Or hit him with a spin kick. Now hit him with that.
Let them get the ball.
They didn't get it.
Get the ball.
I hit him with a Hadouken. When you can call you, want to sell it.
Everywhere. It is.
Keep it low.
They didn't get to the extra part.
Yeah.
When I look at you, you smell like pill shots and cool. And there is something fishy and you know me losing to you is something dang low enough food. I said pill shot cube because I'm here to eat Ken's food.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Ever since I was young, I wanted to be a graphic designer. That's why I'm throwing and spraying on his face with the pump though. Leg shot.
Gentlemen, beautiful. We are coming back again. Round 2. Let's go.
Okay. Umdala ngabuso ngasho yonto. We don't relate to you. Even though wonke amanguni ehlobene ngiyabonga. Ubiza ukhubone ngapho uyayidaja ngongqondo. Yebo. Yebo uphila. Yebo uzenza into engathanda ukuphila kade ofuna insuku zakho zande ezweni ingakuhlonipha uyihlo nonyoko. Uzenza ibhokolo uzoba isibona. Lento yakho uzizakazelo zakho zisimpisi ibheli izimbo wakwenza into engcono. Umakhanya uqwaba ugumede uyela ukhona. Phakathi wayo umpangazisa wena wadla umuntu wamphula ngendaba ngisayibona ngento engishoyo. Manje nje ngithethela imbumbulu ngoba igama lomhlaba wobukhosi basekhaya kulomqondo. Wamakhanya kwayikhanyela sana. Wamakhanya kwayikhanyela sana. So mangithi ngisita esikhulu ngoba everyday ngiyithile nginabuhlobo. Wena ubusika kwalijika uyangibanda mthukoli ngale mbono. Plus ngaziwa njengesangoma so it's nothing to me uprofessor ngale mhlobo. So engikishoyo it's nothing. Engikishoyo it's nothing to me. Ukhuluma nabantu abaphansi njengawe ungithathi ikholinga ngidinge home. Wena unemfundo yomageza ngikunyemba ama-lipstick seems like uhlobene nombambo. Ukushisa kwakho ingagula kunoma yiphi inyanga I'm in my bag khani uphahla nje amathambo. Ngiyaqwaba nansi enye metaphor ngesakazelo nesibongo sasekhabo mama. Uyankhenipha sozabe work njengawe ngisho ebhedlisha kwamadlala. speech angikubeki la ngi-street shit ubona ngokwanele ukuthi uhlezi ukhona la kwi-battle rap hayi ngoba bitch ulithi and GC owes the street of dropping hits. That's the best ngoba flip ngoba we fit listen you want to repeat that one NGC owes the street of dropping hits. That's the best ngoba flip ngoba we fit. Don't call me a rich god because today you're gonna rich wena funa wazi ukuthi bengicompliment i-album ka-OP Magic mangithi ngiyi-superstar so ngokudisa mina you gonna diss it so now izinze lesdimdim you hard work irap into yakhayo this is block bangs I'm in the building as soon as ngikubona ngiyahlukanisa I'm with the vision I've been in the real things my intelligence is not made up from what any type of human has been thinking and speaking I'll kill him ngikhrimesa umzimba wakho ngiyakuveza then I'm a system I will win
Ladies and gentlemen, second round goes to True. Let's go. People party. Let him go.
Unlimited though.
Yeah, that's it.
Ukokozini wona okwanika le nyoni impiko. You know why you couldn't go further ngobuciko ngoba wasuka wajaha undiza wakhoda ukuloba lalahleka usiko. Mina nawe we can take it to any fucking radio station. Ngiyafunda emabheleni. I'll smoke you live on air. Impilo yakho yofana ncamashi. Nentuthi yakho ngoba iyophelele emoyeni. You better watch what you say. Better watch what you say or what you spit it to me. Because I'll kill you now and uzothi kuvuka ekuseni indaba yakho iyona ezobe sematheni. Indasa sidalwa le ndasa. Hayi ngoba nakho ngimklasa ukuthi vele wena ukho ku standard sami sokubhala. Awukho ku standard sami sokubhala. Awukho ku standard sami sokubhala. Ukuthi you are top of the class and understand why because you are a total mark. And if shit get out of hand, uzothola impama. Hayi yodwa lo muntu kazobe yifana since number 1 we don't deserve or ever inqwa. Wena njengoba ukuhlaza ingoba wafunda esikoleni somatanga. Othisha baphupha uswazi ngakho bengakwazi ukumgoba lo esakuhlaza. This ass whooping ayikho personal. Khona lesson uzoyifunda namhlanje mfana. Hayi ukuthi nginenkinga nawe. Remember your high school days? Into engizele la ukuthi lo ngizomzwa amandla. Then watshela ukholwane ukuthi something is isibhuti esinetshela. Isibhuti esinetshela kanti kama kukhanya koyikhanyela nini uyizimu eluyeyeye. Ongitsheleke mnganami wathi noma umbuka lo mbhemo wacabanga umbiza ngesibhuti esinetshela. Imini izimu Fokuyibiza you about to get fucking clipped. I got a pair of these. Both of these bitches can fucking sing, but they ugly as hell. I call them abattoirs. I call them twins.
Right now we are going back to round 3, right? Yeah, Kenny, it's on you. Let's go. Unlimited, yeah.
Eat your food.
So mina-ke engisakwenzile ngizenzela mina so far has done a lot for the culture. From the music to this battle, I've laid the blueprint, the foundation and the structure. For the Indonesian Sakala, I don't have to show you attitude of Amdala. Man is in the hunger, I go bang lamba, nalanga zanga, let them get and compass and get time. Yes, on the topic, I don't know so much to get in China, so maybe is it because it just on the Nepa, turns of judge? Oh, tapping what we try the volume and now we are on every card I'm tapped in. On every card I'm tapped in. I get the credit that deserve and then get swiper. The crowd believes that I'm a star. September 1st, how ironic nas I don't get spring day up on your bam. So as in, I start the attitude, net behavior I don't talk. Kasha what is a barbarian it does. Swan. Legama lakhandwa ama-Greek for ama-tribes angena culture uncivilized asathatha izinto ngendlela yakudala violent aggressive motherfuckers in a fantasy mindset umuntu okhulele namandla who can this or ask me AI umuntu asinamandla ukuthi fanele ngabe ucabangela ikusasa lengane zakho kodwa stuck behind the culture. I already told you angithukile ngizokuhlambalaza ungayikhasa ivanka mina nginaswega yasekasi yathoka spice mangiphethe uraja waja umzobhaqa always saying go outside kodwa applying ngisho kuba unogada. How can you secure your sports in this game kuwena oze ngokudlala? Your referee stands blow the whistle that was your chance. Igang yakho iphakamisa iflag elimhlophe. You don't have lines man akekho ngalo. Umdala nengqondo yomfana. Listen me about being young. Ukhombisa umona wokuthi uyabona wena ofanele legama lami lokuqala. Abona masusekhaya ukhala lempahla uyidlala wazi lo round 3 udalela ukuthi wazi into enjani ukurhyme. Yani ulako lingaka. I grew up without a father. Kodwa ngayifundisa ukuthi ngizokwazi ukusipana lana while umuntu oseduze kwami is holding a timer. Against the Tai Chi, I tested my power. Live performance, electrifying lines. Ngoba ngazi next time ngipluga ngizocharge. And like I'm choking. Khona ngizoonisa nombani osuzongithatha then I show them what it is man. It's every line is fire. Ngizama ukuthi ngikhanyisele ukuthi ukhuluma nobaba uMakhaya. So le mama lugeza ningidisa ngalo shows ukuthi sothando wena kunaso isinyama uqwale ugumede basemangunini umlando fakwa nawo njengesicashalala sami kwayinkosi ushaye ngakazalwa so mama is the king Kenny ngoba ngabona usezongiqala ngizophatha namhlanje ngisusa uqhuku elfes hlupha zakhe ngizongcwaba good morning mafethu good morning Yansana
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for Yan Kenny Paul. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good for Udubuleza, round 3, let's go.
I say I got pair of these. Both of these bitches can sing. I call them the Kobe twins. Velege wena, usuna amawele. So that's why I figured to give Kobe twins. Give Kobe twins. Yabana nikinga yako. Nikinga yako wena unokungikala. Nikinga yako unokungikala uyitshela uthi mhlambe ngenzeka uzama ukungishaya. Engundlela kasompisi mina webhuti. Shala. Makhuluma indaba yakusasa. Into ezokwenzeka zoququ. Amehlo kube mnyama. Bamba ngokubhongwane. Next thing you realize sushaya ngeqolo phansi. Step over your fucking hands. Ngiphule wonke amathambo ezandla. Baka lokho ngishaya ngebaseball bat. Ngiphule wonke amathambo. Uma ungasawazi ngisho ukuhamba. Wena ngizokushiya isitaba emva kwalokho ngikunika amaphara ngithi nalikeni hamba nolikana. Yabana ngenkathi shut up. Yabana ngenkathi uyobheklisha lo 17. Sorry.
Shut the fuck up.
Yabana ngenkathi uyobheklisha lo 17 oselovu. Wawuyitshela ukuthi yonke into izoba ushukela. Wangahamba ukoreza emva kwalokho libela ile ntsangu yakhe egalini libela uyishukela. Emva ukuthi lo mpethe sayadressile ukuthi kunakhe banakho ukumshukela ngathi yesibuka lesinamnamu angathi sesithanda ukuvuka ushukela. Ngale hotanyana yakho wayithola ziningi ifebo ihlabile. So uchaza ukuthi there's some fucking sheep holes that to be fucking cause ayikho ithangene yazimali engavuma ukulala izimithe ngenxa yeplaka. Wena unakho ukuzama ukuzenza labantu abasebenza ka-DSW hamba uqoshana nabo bonke labo doti bethe ngoba nakho belahlile. Akekho umuntu ongazi ukuthi seyigulela ingane eziningi lemkhandlwini and you know what's disgusting ngenkathi baqosha bonke labo lwayishi lona akawuphatha uplastic. Angisho angisho ukuthi wena umthelela bathi ungaziphathi ijazi nongayiphathi kahle kwamama nakho kunawo umthelela. So ngoba kuthiwa uyehle yenyuka mina ngisiblame lesasikhenyula ngoba umgwinyo siyazi sonke ukuthi uyamenza umuntu abe nokubenuza. Mengifika egalini mengifika egalini elibele petuza zomfaka ubhongo bathi ngizomhlinza-ke mina ngomtafula baningi ikolova kade babemnquma so why ngisurpriseka mengizwile ukuthi ulina ngike ngamjabula Nina Nina, kade nathandana. Nina, kade nathandana. Ukuthi ngishade ngani indaba uyabona ukuthi lesidwedwe sakho asinayo material kuba umfazi. Bathi-ke on the other side. Bathi-ke on the other side wenza kahle. Lalela masabu. Uyobe impuphu yomfana mongashada loya ngoba lento eyenzayo inyala ukuthi ahambe ziyo ukuthi uyaphana. My baby mama this. My baby mama this.
Yeah, it's making sense.
My baby mama this. My baby mama this. My baby mama this, my baby mama that. Shut the fuck up. Ngangithi uSmith uyisimba ngempela. Kanti wena iningi list yolova nabomrapper. Kodwa ulibele wenza ngathi wena ushaya steering ube wazi kahle ukuthi baningi bemgibela. Thane.
There can only be one, the globe can solely be run by the 031. It's the blood. We've been loading the gun, the globe can slowly be won through the 031. It's the blood. There can only be one, the globe can slowly be run by the 031.
Yeah. Thina sikhule lokishini bafethu abantu abaningi bengakholwa nokuthi umuntu uyarappa bese idlalela ibhola. Bengibiza ngomnyama, umkhelele mthole. Yeah. Bathathe emnyama, bathathe emkhelele lo. Flow ivubu usithelele. Ufuna ukuphuza sidelele ulimi ushelele. Woza mnyama, woza mkhelele lo. Woza mnyama, woza mkhelele. Okay, bathathe emnyama, bathathe mkhelele lo. Flow ivubu usithelele. Sifuna ukuphuza sidelele ulimi ushelele. Woza mnyama, woza mkhelele. Woza mnyama, woza mkhelele. Okay, gas bangibiza umkhelele. Hleze ke ngikuhlebele show, ngingingam ngikutekele. If you moving careless, hleze ke sikusebenze. Ubukora ngeke busebenze, ubukora kumele umanage. Yeah for real, yashisa isikhula sibuya isiphelele. Ncika la ngikubeke show iphuthu kulonga inhlekele. Ay senyathela ufele, yeah nta kokuba amafele. Y'all real need help, if flow yashisa okudlula isithene. I'm up front like Bennett, Chenet, chasing chelete. Like Mellet, Kelly, go back to Zokijinywa, steady. Here's a look at what you done, studied. Whole city say I'm studied. Hot Betty's keep it 100. Craving what I got in my pocket. She can tell I got a boss budget. But I tell yam, but I tell kelele look. Flow ivubu usithelele. Sifuna ukuphuza sidelele ulimi ushelele. Woza mnyama, woza mkelele look. Woza mnyama, woza mkelele. Okay, bathathe emnyama, bathathe mkhelele lo. Flow ivubu usithelele. Sifuna ukuphuza sidelele ulimi ushelele. Woza mnyama, woza mkhelele. Woza mnyama, woza mkhelele.